Hello everyone, this is my first resume project challenge which I am taking today. My name is Pradeep Gupta. So this project challenge is about company called Codex. So recently they have launched their energy drink in India 10 cities only. So after launching the energy drink in that 10 cities, now their marketing team has created a survey report and they received a tremendous response from the survey. Approximate 10,000 users from a different cities responded to the survey. So they have collected the report and now they will submit the report to the Peter Pandey, who is a data analyst for the marketing team, who will generate the key insight for the marketing team so they can plan, they can make a strategy to run the business successful in India. So in the next slide, we will talk about the company codex, their problem statement, and then we will talk about the primary and secondary insights. So under the primary insight, we will talk about demographic insights, we will talk about the consumer preferences, what type of consumers, youth, what age range of consumer prefer energy drink. After that, we will talk about the competition analysis, where we will see who are our competitor in Indian market, and then we will talk about the marketing channel and brand awareness, then brand penetrations, and then we will talk about purchase behavior and product development. In the secondary insights, we will provide 5 recommendations or strategy to the codex teams, which they can think and make a strategy to run their business successful. So in the next slide, I have already discussed about this primary insights. So in the next slide, we will see the problem statement. So the marketing team who is responsible for increasing brand awareness, market share and product development, they have conducted a survey in those 10 cities and received 10K response from the different cities and from a different users. So now the Peter Pandey, who is a data analyst, will convert those survey results to a meaningful insight which the marketing team will use to drive some actions on it. So in the next slide, which I have used to generate the insights for data analysis, I have used Microsoft Excel and Tableau for presentations. I have used PowerPoint, and for image editing, I have used Inkscape. So you can see in the left hand side, I have created a bottle of or a can of Codex. For that, I have used Inkscape. For the dashboard, I have again used Tableau. And for video shooting and editing purpose, I have used Microsoft Clipchamp. Let's move to the next slide. Here we will talk about the demographic insight. Under demographic insight, we will talk about 3 questions. So the first question is about who prefer energy drinks more. So according to the survey result, male are consuming more drink compared to the female and non-binary. So here we can consider male are the priority one, and then after that we can consider the female also who is preferring energy drinks more. In the next questions, we will talk about which age group prefer energy drink more. So here, according to the chart, we can see the young adult whose age range is between 19 to 13 are the most consumer of energy drink. Why? Because maybe this age group belongs to the working professional, students, and sports person. And if we'll see the age group of 46 plus, 46 to 65 or 65 plus, so is the most likely, is the least likely, sorry, is the least likely to consume energy drink. And the third question is about which type of marketing reaches the most youth. So the marketing team has created a survey where they wanted to know what kind of marketing reaches have shown the highest reach and popularity compared to the other mode of marketing advertisement like TV ad, outdoor billboards, print media, and others. So print media, you can see, is the least popular mode of marketing. So maybe the marketing team should focus on this also, because right now we know the online media is very popular, but still the marketing team can focus on print media as well. Maybe they can start giving more ad in newspapers, in magazines, in other books. So in the next slide, we will talk about the consumer preferences. What are the preferred ingredients of energy drink among respondents? So according to the survey results, caffeine and vitamins are the most preferred energy drinks amongst the other category, which is sugar and guarana. So why people like caffeine and vitamins more? Because caffeine and vitamin drinks, also known as energy or caffeinated drink, also it's very popular also in the market with lots of flavors available in the market. Also, it boost the energy, combat the fatigue, and boost sportsman performance. That's why maybe the caffeine and vitamins, these two ingredients, is most preferable amongst the youth. Uh, so in the next questions, we will talk about what packaging preferences do respondent have for energy drink. So most of the respondent wanted that the packaging preferences should be a compact and portable cans, because a portable can our bottle can enhance overall drinking experience, and it's comfortably fit in the hand and provide a better grip. Also, if we'll see the on the second number, we can see innovative bottle design is there. Uh, Most of the consumer might like this packaging preferences also, because maybe innovative in the sense they might be thinking the packaging of the energy drink should be like after drinking the energy, maybe they can use the drink instead of throwing the the can or bottle in the dustbin. Maybe they can use the bottle as a protein shaker or as a water bottle. So maybe if the marketing team will focus on these first two things, compact and portable cans, also uh, mm, innovative bottle design kind of thing, then they can increase their more brand awareness, and more they can run their brand more in India. In this slide, we will talk about the competition analysis. The first question is about who is the market current leader. So the energy drink market is highly competitive in India, and it's dynamic with several major players. However, the Coca-Cola, Pepsi, and Gangster are the market player. Coca-Cola is on the number one. After that, Pepsi. In this slide, we will talk about the same category, competition analysis. Under this, the question is that what are the primary region consumer prefer Doge brand over ours? So, if you see on the very top, 27% people says the brand reputations. After that, 20% people says the taste and flavor preferences should be a considerable point. After that, availability and then effectiveness, and 17% people marked as other. So why the brand reputation? Because the brand reputation play a significant role in consumer preferences. Also, if we are talking about food or beverage or something which we consume, which we eat or drink, so taste and flavor is also one of the crucial factor for it. That's why I think three things which the marketing team need to be focused more on. The first one about the brand awareness, the second one about the taste flavor preferences, and the third one is about the availability. So about the availability, maybe it's not available across the whole India, or it's not available locally, only it's found in online or in supermarket or something. So they now should target a local market also and start availing this kind of product. So in the next slide, we will talk about the marketing channel and brand awareness. What kind of marketing channel and how to promote our brand, so people are aware about our brand. So under this, we have a two type of question. The first question is which marketing channel we should use to reach more customers. According to the survey result, uh, online ads, 40% people say, according to the survey result, 40% people said online ads should be a mode. Uh, by that we can reach to the consumer more, because India is the largest internet user after all China. So online ad are the popular and effective way for a marketing channel to reach a wide range of our targeted audience. Here, what I will suggest, maybe they can more focus on online ad, TV commercials. So maybe nowadays, if you see, most of the youth people are not willing to watch televisions or TV, we can say. People are now moving from television to OTT app platform. So maybe we can focus more running ads on OTT apps. Also, we can collaborate with social media influencers like Instagram influencers, Instagram content creator, and YouTube content creator. We can collaborate with them and we can ask them to promote your brand, so the people will aware about the brand awareness. Also, in the second questions is about how effective are different marketing strategy and channel is reaching our customers. So here we need to focus on three things which I have categorized at the bottom. If you see, the first one about the age group, we should focus on the age group between 15 to 30 plus more. After that, we need to advertise more using these two mode, which is online ad and TV commercial. And then under that, we need to focus more on the male and female category more. So this is all about this slide. In the next slide, we will talk about the brand penetration. So here also we have two questions. The first question is about what do people think about our brand. So if you see the chart, I have segregated the positive, negative, and neutral responses in a stacked column chart. If you see in the left hand side, we have the other market leader or other brands, and in the right hand side we have shown the codex numbers. So according to the survey result, 22% are positive about our product, which indicates some level of satisfaction. But we need to focus on negative part because it's 18%, maybe it's more, and 60% of people are not responded. They are neutral, maybe because of the brand awareness. So here, as Kodak is a new in the market, so there might be a chance that they are not aware or they are unfamiliar with the brand. So we should more focus on it, focus on the brand awareness, and change this neutral response to a positive response. If you see in the right hand side, the second part, which city do we need to focus more on? Since the product has launched in only 10 cities, so the people need to be more focused on. If we see here, the very good consumption in tier 1 cities, especially in Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Mumbai. So team need to more focus on Chennai, Kolkata, Delhi, because these are the metro cities, and we should more focus to expand our distribution network, manufacturing facility in these cities. This slide, we will talk about the purchase behavior of consumers. So under the purchase behavior of consumer, we have three questions. The first question is, where do respondents prefer to purchase energy drink? So if you see the infographics charts here, the column chart, on the first number we can see the supermarket. On the second number, online marketing or online retailers, and then at the third place, gym and fitness center. So why supermarket? So why supermarket? Because people when go to the supermarket, they can found a wide range of product in the supermarket. And I also personally feel when I go to the supermarket, I feel the types of range is there. We can pick anything from one place in a cheaper price. That's why also I also prefer supermarket. But regarding the online retailer, so is on the second place. So sometimes we are busy with our work and we cannot go to the online. We cannot go to the supermarket. So that time we prefer to order it from the online, because it will get delivered in a very short time, in at our home without any extra charges. In the next question, we will talk about what are the typical consumption situation for energy drink. So here, if you look the pie chart, we can see the first slice, which is sports person and the person who is gym enthusiast person like to consume energy drink more. After that, on the second place, Students or working persons really like to consume energy drink more. And on the third place, social outing and parties is 15%. So most of the time when we go to the outing for the parties, people don't. Some of the people don't like to drink alcohol, don't like to drink uh, other beverages. So that time they can, instead of that, they like to drink the energy drink. On the third number, what factors influence respondent purchase decision, such as price and range and the limited edition packaging? So, if we will talk about the price first, so price is a very significant consideration for many consumers. For me also, so if I will found any product uh, in a same range to the with the different brand, maybe I will compare them about the how much ml is there and what ingredients are there. After that, we decide to purchase the energy drink. So the marketing team need to think about how they can convert no responses to more positive responses. So in the recommendations part, we will talk about these things. We'll move to the next slide. Here, we will talk about the product development. So, here the questions from the marketing team: which area of business should we focus more on our product development? So, here we have compared three things. First of all, they need to think about their branding. Second, availability in local market, and the third one is taste. So if you see whatever the data you can see in this slide is only filtered data for the codex. So if you see, our brand reputation in the market is 26%, availability is 20%, and taste and flavor is 90%, effectiveness is 18%. So if you see the branding, so approximate 525%, which is 54%, consumers are not aware about a brand, which means the marketing team need to focus on branding part first, because branding play a significant role in establishing a unique identity of your product in the market. The second one is about, if you see the second chart about the availability, in the first bar, 233 people are health concerned people. That's why they might be don't they might be not willing to take energy drink. But 229 people are saying that not available locally. That's why. And in the third place, not interested in energy drink. So I think we should focus on the first two things: health concern people and not available locally. So these two things can be a convertible because it's in our hand. But the third point, which is not interested in energy drink, so maybe uh, we cannot convert the person's mind very easily. And the third point is about the taste. So developing a product with exceptional taste, flavor, or aroma can differentiate your offering from competitors and lead the customer satisfaction and loyalty. So if I will talk about the taste, so according to the pie chart, you can see. So we got 45% user are very much satisfied with our taste, but we can work on the rating 1, 2, 3. We can convert these ratings to number 4 and 5. uh, Next, we will talk about recommendations, which is the secondary insights of this project. So now we will talk about the recommendation for the codex. Under this, the first question is about what immediate improvement we should bring to the product. Here, I will talk about the first that about the quality enhancement. So the very first improvement which we need to consider are, if you see the right hand side the chart, is reduce sugar content, and on the second number, which is 24%, people are saying include more natural ingredients. And third one, wide range of flavors. 21% people are saying launch more range of flavors. So obviously, there are many people who like to taste other flavors also. That's why they have voted for this. So what the development team need to do? They need to evaluate the product recipe and explore opportunity to reduce the sugar content without compromising taste and quality. Also, they should consider using alternative sweetness. So, in the very first point, reduce sugar content is on very first point. But if we will totally made our energy drink sugarless, then also the people will not like. So, what they can do, they can think about the alternative sweeteners such as stevia, monk fruit extract, or erythritol, which I have researched from the Google. They can use this kind of things and provide sweetness with fewer calories to the energy drink. Also, they should explore natural alternatives like they should review the product ingredient list and identify any artificial or processed ingredient that can be replaced with more natural alternatives. Research natural flavoring, coloring, and preservative that align with your product taste and quality requirement. Also, once you done all the changes with these things, you should highlight the health benefits to the consumers. So you should emphasize the reduced sugar content and use of natural ingredient of as part of your product. With the marketing and packaging team, also you should educate the customer about the health benefit associated with these changes, such as lower sugar intake, fewer artificial additives to the energy drink, and use of recognizable natural ingredients. Clear, you should be a clear and transparent with the consumer and communicate, which will build the trust and attract the health conscious consumer also to consume your product. Next, we will talk about the brand promotion, where the brand awareness about the health benefit with your energy drink should be a priority base. So, as I already told, you should highlight health benefit with the energy drink to the consumer. Educate customer about the health benefit with all the ingredients which you have added in the in your energy drink. Also, you can collaborate with the health professional, partner with healthcare professional, nutritionist. Also, you can partner with the public health organizations where you can marketing your product with them. So in this slide, we will talk about what should be the ideal price of our product. So since price is a significant consideration for many consumers, which I also agree with that. So the price range of our product should be between 50 to 99 rupees. So what marketing team need to do here? The cost analysis terminology will I will use. They should calculate their production costs, including raw material, labor charges, manufacturing, packaging, and logistic charges. Whatever the other expenses are there, and then they should compare their competitive market price and keep less price with them. Also, provide offers for additional purchases. Uh, in the third point, they should expand their distribution network because many people are saying the product is not available locally, so they should expand distribution network and providing them with additional benefits, which can be an effective strategy to increase your product reach and drive sales in the local market. And in the next questions, what kind of marketing campaign, offer, and discount we can run? So here I have pointed out many things. So the first is retargeting the right audience. So over 500 millions users are daily accessing the social media in India. So they should clearly identify the demographic, interest, wise, and behavior of your ideal customers, considering age, gender, location, and fitness interest, and provide them offers such as redeem codes or something like that, which they can use on their nearest stores. So, if you see in the previous slide, we have given you already insight about the age, gender, locations, fitness interest, and also given you some other insights which you can go and compare and talk to uh, your marketing team and create a add to considering all those things and target the right audience. Next is about the referral program. You should launch a referral program where existing consumer may get cashback, reward, discount, or any other exclusive benefit which you can provide who refer a new consumer to your product. Okay. Mm. Next, tie up with fitness app and center. So if you can already see in the market there are many fitness app uh, which people are using nowadays, because most of the people are taking the sessions from the fitness app at their home as well. So what you can do, you can also tie up with this kind of fitness app, which will be a beneficial strategy to promote your energy drink. Keep also, if you are if you are promoting your energy drink to the fitness center, so the one thing which you can do, as per my suggestion, keep your product on the main counter. So you can provide them a small page with some attractive thing like that, and you can keep in the entrance of the gym or fitness center. So once the consumer will enter to the gym, the first eye will go on your product only. Also you can send the codex representative, PR members to the center, who will take the feedback from the consumer, which will promote your brand. Also you can provide buy one get one go offer, which will obviously encourage the customer to purchase your drink. The next one is about free bottle gift with purchase. So you can offer free bottle with the first purchase, which will keep a maximum number of consumer will get happy and promote your brands to the next consumer also. Uh, the next point is about free home delivery or 10-minute delivery app. So since I live in Mumbai, I daily use 10-minute delivery app like Jepto, Blinkit, other Swiggy, other apps is also there. So you can target this kind of app also. You can promote your brand on this such app, because lots of many tier one people are using this kind of app. So in this slide, who can be a brand ambassador and why? So if you look at the right hand side, I think I don't have to give introduction about this person. We all know this great person, and if you talk about these persons, if you don't look my slide also, then you will say this person can be a right brand ambassador for the Codex energy drink. Why? Because now we will talk about the points which I have pointed in my slide. Because this person have a strong brand image in the market, have millions of fan following in the market, and also a role model for lots of the cricket enthusiasts, athlete, and for the youth people. For the brand awareness, so since Dhoni's high profile presence and media visibility can help generate significant brand awareness for energy drink, his endorsement can attract attention from both traditional media outlet and social media platform, leading to increased your brand recognition in the market. In this slide, we will talk about who should be our target audience and why. So I have listed out some points. So the first point is gamers and sports enthusiast person. We should first target these type of people. Why? Because this type of people in actively engaged in sports fitness activity, or they go to the gym regular and do exercise there, and they required energy drink to enhance their performance in gym or in fitness activity area. That's why we should focus on this type of audience first. After that, we should focus on the student or working professionals. The same, I will say that energy drinks are often consumed by student and young professional or professionals who is working late night. Why? Because they also want to boost their energy, and if the students are doing a long study, so they get tired, so they consume energy drink more. In the third point, we should focus on the health conscious consumers. So third point, youth, male and female both. So youth between the age range of 15 to 30 should be a target for, as often this kind of people seek energy to boost their product, to support their active lifestyle, academic commitment, and social engagement. So at the last, not in the list, we should focus on the tier one cities like Pune, Delhi, Kolkata. Why? Because these cities are having a higher popular density and a larger consumer market. So targeting this city can provide access to significant number of potential consumer and increasing the reach and sales of our energy drink. So thank you everyone. That's all from my side. I would like to thank Code Basics, Dhaval sir, Hemanand sir for providing me this opportunity to provide some insights on this project. I will definitely work on the comment which I will receive from the audience or from the from the Code Basics team. Definitely, I will try to improve as much as possible I can do. Thank you all.